Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn on how to change your password on Facebook. So, if you have a Facebook profile, and I will teach you how you can change the password of that profile. In order to do that, you just have to follow my steps. So, first of all, open your Facebook. Once you reach down to your Facebook account, make sure you see on the right upper corner these three lines. Just click on these three lines. Once you click on them, you have to make sure to scroll down and see an option called Settings and Privacy. So this remains same on all Android phones. Just click on Settings and Privacy. Once you click on that, you have to click on Settings button. Just click on that. Once you click that, make sure you can see an option called Account Center. So in the Account Center, you have to click on See More in Account Center. Once you click that, you can scroll down and under the section of account settings, you can see password and security. Just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see an option on the upper side called change password. Just click on change password and select the account of which you want to change the password. In my case, I want to change the password of Call Houston. I'm going to click on that and voila, here you can see that I have to write the current password, and if I'm correct about the current password, I'm gonna type in the new password and retype the new password in the other section. And once we are done with that, we're gonna click on change password. Once the whole process is done, your password will be successfully changed and you will receive an email of it. So this is the easiest way you can change your password on your Android or any phone on Facebook forever. So if this video really helps you, make sure to leave a comment below. Subscribe to this channel. We will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.